This is Drew with Lexus of Jacksonville introducing our certified pre-owned vehicle of the week. This week features our 2024 Lexus RX350. This Nori Green RX has only 17,526 miles and has been marked down to sell at $53,991. This front-wheel drive, 8-speed automatic transmission vehicle is equipped with a 2.4-liter turbo 4-cylinder engine and receives a combined fuel economy of 25 miles per gallon. This vehicle is equipped with an abundance of safety features including the pre-collision system, dynamic cruise control, and lane keep assist. Some of this vehicle's features include power rear door with kick sensor, digital key, and a 14-inch navigation display equipped with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. All Lexus certified vehicles go through a rigorous total view inspection, include an unlimited mile warranty for up to 6 years, the next 4 scheduled maintenances, and access to the Fields amenities, including complimentary car washes and the Fields Cafe for breakfast and lunch. Stop by Lexus of Jacksonville today to test drive this or any of our great certified vehicles.